everybody, Jackie here with Brian Weber of Weber Automotive. How you doing?
Doing great. How are you?
Doing well. So today we're talking about engine repairs. And right now you were telling me you've got a BMW in the shop with an engine issue. So tell me about it.
So what this picture is showing, it's a 2013 X3 BMW with 79,000 miles on it. It's had a check engine light came on, which when we diagnosed it and pinpointed after that, showed that it had a internal engine problem, which was accelerated by oil change intervals gone too far. Oddly enough, it was exactly what the manufacturer told them to do. They followed the maintenance schedule to a T, and yet they have this problem. BMW repairs this particular issue by replacing the engine, which is a $10,000 to $15,000 operation in this vehicle, and that's all it's worth.
That hurts your wallet.
It hurts your wallet. We can replace the internal components on it for like $3,000, but there's hardly anybody that's doing that. But there's a lot of other engines in the market that have similar malfunctions for the exact same reason.
Wow. So malfunctions, they're sticking to the maintenance schedule, but there's still malfunctions, there's still issues in the engine, and if they take it back to the manufacturer, it's usually we need to replace it.
Right. The manufacturer, there's a lot of technicians that don't really have as good of a handle on the internal engine components and how the workings, how it all operates, how to service it, as well as we do. They just take the one out and they put a new one in. Where my background in the engine business, since I was a teenager, building high performance and race engines, building them from scratch, we've done hundreds of them, give me kind of a unique angle as far as what a repair shop can offer of having that talent and ability in the shop.
So when someone comes in with an engine issue and you have to repair it, you usually sit down and take a look at it first and then talk to them about the problems and what you can maybe do to repair it. Is there usually some options, or is typically there's one route forward?
No, there is sometimes options, but the most important thing is to do an accurate assessment of what's there, what you're working with, and then is it repairable? Does it make sense to repair that, and will it give you a good long service life after it's repaired? Some cases you replace the whole thing. In many cases, we can just repair what's wrong with it, and it'll give a good long service and save a lot of money.
Yeah, keep the longevity, save money, and get out of there with a quicker turnaround probably as well. Yeah.
We deliver more options than anybody else can by far with engine repair.
Yeah, that's huge. So if you guys are having some engine problems, if that check engine light came on, especially if you're in a more luxury vehicle and you're sticking to that maintenance schedule of the manufacturer, bring it into Weber Automotive and see if repairs are an option for you before you go ahead and replace that engine. And you can check them out at weberautomotive.com to see their services and schedule a consultation or appointment online.
Thank you, Jackie.
Thanks so much, Brian.